Hello students, a very warm welcome back to all the students who all are watching my video. I hope you all are fine. Children, I know it's been a long time since I've uploaded any video on YouTube, but now today we are going to start with full tutorial on Scratch. Alright, and children, it's not only an introduction video of the chapter, but I promise I will upload full tutorial on Scratch and you will end up of learning how to make your own game in Scratch. Alright, so let's start the video. So children, here we are using the latest version of Scratch, which is Scratch 3. Alright, so this one is Scratch 3. Okay, so when you start Scratch 3 software by clicking on it, you will see the following screen. This one is the first screen of Scratch 3. Alright, so let's learn about the various components or various parts of Scratch. Okay, so let's start with this. Children, can you see this small graphic character? Yes, it is a cat here. Okay, so this cannot be a cat every time. It can be anything. Okay, it is just a small graphic character, and in Scratch we call it as a sprite. Alright, it is known as sprite. So what is a sprite? Sprite is an object. It is an object that performs all the actions, whatever instructions you are given to the computer, all the actions are performed by this small graphical character. Okay, so this is known as sprite. Okay, so a sprite is a graphical image that moves around in the stage. Okay, now where is the stage? Yes, what stage is? Yes. Alright, so this area is known as stage. Can you all see this blue highlighted area? This area is known as stage. What is the stage? Stage is the background on which our sprite or our graphical character will move and follow all the instructions. Whatever instructions given by us will be followed by this sprite. Okay, and this area, this background area is known as stage, where our sprite is going to move in the screen, in the background, and it is going to follow all the instructions whatever we are given to the sprite. Is this clear? Alright. Okay, now can you all see? Now you all know about this stage and this sprite. Now what about this area, this big area? Yes, first one is block palette and another one is script area. Alright, let's learn about it. So this area, this highlighted area is blocks palette. Okay, what is blocks palette? Blocks palette is the area that contain all the possible types of commands, that contain all the blocks, that contain all the commands. Alright. Now this highlighted area is blocks palette. Okay, which contains all the blocks. Now can you see the category which is given in the left side? Yes, in the left side of the screen you will see the various categories which is grouped. Blocks palettes are categorized into various categories. Can you see the category? Motion category, looks category, sound category, events, control, sensing, operators, variable, and my block. So these are the category in which we can divide all the blocks. So all the blocks are divided into various categories. These are the categories. Okay, so we can see all the blocks in the block palette. Alright, now can you see this blank area, this bigger one? Yes, children. What do we call this? This blank area is known as script area. Alright, so this area is known as script area. Now what is a script area? Yes, a script area is the place where we make our script. We place our blocks. Alright, so what is a script area? Script area is the area that will contain your program or your script. Whatever instructions you are given to the sprite will be visible here. Okay, you have to drag the blocks from the left side from the blocks palette, and you have to keep all the blocks here in the script area. Okay, after clicking on it, you will see your sprite will perform that particular action. Is this clear? Okay, you just need to drag the blocks from the left side. You just need to drag the blocks from the left side, and you can put it here in the script area, and you will see that your sprite will perform that particular action. Is this clear? Okay, so the bigger one, this largest area is the script area, where we will place our blocks one by one. Is this clear? Alright, now let's see. What is a backdrop? Yes, have you heard this word, a backdrop, in Scratch? Yes, maybe or may not be. But what is a backdrop? It simply stands for background in Scratch. Alright, so in Scratch, backdrop stands for background. So can you see the background of the sprite, which is stage? This one is background of the sprite, and this background is known as stage. You all know this. Now, if we want to change the background of the stage, what we will change? We are going to change the backdrop. Can you see this backdrop option? Wait, let me highlight it. Yes, can you see this backdrop option which is present at the bottom right corner of the screen? Yes, this one is a backdrop option. So from here we can change the background of the stage. Okay, background of the stage. So backdrop simply stands for background in Scratch. Alright, so what we can do, if we are planning to change the background of the sprite, we should change the backdrop from this option, from here. Okay, from here you can select the background, you can upload a new backdrop, you can paint your own, and you can search for it. Alright, okay. Now, program structure or script structure. Now, what is a script structure and what is program structure? Now, children, script structure. Now, can you see this script area? In this script area, we are going to make our script. Okay, one by one, we are going to place the blocks here, and after that, we will make our own script for this particular sprite. Alright. Okay, so what are these? These are the instructions to the sprite. Whatever instruction we are giving to the sprite will be performed by that particular graphical character or that particular sprite. Okay, so for this we have to follow certain rules. Okay, the first one is our script structure should start with hat type block. Now, what is hat type block? What is hat type block? Okay, let me tell you. In events category, can you all see events category here, this yellow one? Yes, I'm going to click on this. in events category, can you all see this when green flag click block? This block is known as hat type block. Okay, this one is known as hat type block. So we call it when green flag click block. First, we need to drag this block for every script. Okay, for every script. This is a compulsion for you that you need to put this block above all the instructions you are giving to that sprite. Okay. So hat block are used to start a script and usually found in events category of the block. So this one is event category. The first block is when green flag clicked. Okay, so this block is mandatory to put before every program, every script, whatever you are creating for the sprite. Is this clear? This is a compulsion for you all to put this block first and then start making your script. Is this clear? Now, children, this is it for today. And in the next video, we are going to start with Scratch coordinate system, motion blocks, direction in Scratch, pen block, and many other things. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay in your homes. Have a good day.